As a content creator on YouTube, you find out that you post a video and after some hours, the video do not get any views and you are wondering why. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why this is happening and how you can be able to fix it, because this is what so many content creators and small channel is facing right now. What is happening is that YouTube has recently changed how it recommends video and many are losing reach without realizing what they are doing. So you have to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be mentioning the mistake that we small channels are making, and the fourth one is the most important one. So do not skip any part of this video so that you can be able to know how to also fix this mistake and get you to keep recommending your video to a larger audience, because that is why we are on YouTube and that's why we are content creators, to be able to get views and be able to make YouTube recognize your channel and then pay you for your efforts. Now, with that being said, let's get into this video. Lately, a lot of creators have been complaining about low impressions, low views. After 24 hours, their video dies and do not get any views anymore. What do you think is happening here? The truth is, YouTube hasn't stopped recommending your videos. That is just the truth. YouTube keep recommending your videos, but YouTube choose the creators and the content that they want to recommend. That is what I said in my last video. If you have not watched it, go ahead and click on this link to watch it. I said it in my last video that YouTube is recommending your content to viewers that keep engaging on your videos, how they engage on your video, how they interact with your video. That is how YouTube works right now. So the biggest mistake YouTubers are making right now, for YouTube not to even recommend their videos, YouTube is not seeing them, YouTube is not pushing their videos, is what I'm about to share in the next 1 minute. The first mistake is that you have a long intro. Like now you come to YouTube and then the first thing you are saying is, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, this is that, and you have used the whole of 30 seconds to 1 minute to introduce yourself and welcome your viewers to your channel. This is going to make YouTube not recommend your video because viewers are easily going to click off. If you are the one, if you see that type of video and the person is not making any sense in the first 30 seconds of their video, they are not promising you anything, they are not saying anything yet, they are taking the information to the last part of the video, nobody is going to stay to watch that video. Anybody that loves you so much and wants to really get that valuable information will be the one to now skip to the good part of that video. And worst thing worst is that if you don't have a timestamp on that video, nobody is ready to be able to get that information from you. They will either go to another creator and get this information that they want to get. So why long intros? Long intros are killing views. Long intros are killing your channel. They are making YouTube not to recommend your video because viewers are not sticking to stay. They are not watching. Nobody wants to know your name. You can say your name at the end of the video or in the middle part of the video when you know that your audience have already started watching your video and they have stayed till 5 to 6, 7 minutes of your video. The solution to this is you need to cut off long intros and take it to the ending part of your video, or you make your intros very short as possible, as short as 10 seconds. So that is it. Even those that are doing vlog, those that are doing lifestyle, they have cut their intro to be at least 5 seconds. Their intro is not more than 5 seconds now. Once they display their intro, the next thing you are seeing is their face. So nobody does long intros anymore. That is old school. You need to cut to the chase. You need to cut to the point. Everybody is busy. People want to use their data for something better. Now, the second big mistake that creators are making, and I am also making the same mistake, everybody's making the same mistake on YouTube, is you're not getting to the point. A topic that is supposed to take you more than 6-7 minutes to create and then you are done with it, or 8 minutes maximum, you want to stretch it out to 15 minutes, all because you are looking for watch hour. This is not the way to go, because when you keep watching this video and then you see that you have repeated the thing that you have repeated before, you are repeating it again and again and again, people are going to get bored of that and they will just easily click off your video, and you see that your video performance will be very low and then the impressions will be low. YouTube will not want to push that video anymore because the user behavior, the viewer's behavior is now low to do. Another thing that creators are making, that is, this is the third point creators are making, is that you are not promising anything in the first 30 seconds of your video. You are not saying the problem, you are not saying what they are going to benefit at the end of the video. This you are doing is not making people to stay to watch your video. Your first 30 seconds or your first 1 minute of your video is telling them what the problem is and what they are going to benefit by watching the video to the end, so that they will be able to stay to the ending of the video. That is how you keep viewers watching your video. And then the fourth one, which is the most important one, is that you are not cutting long pauses while editing. There are sometimes that you will have created a video and then you have paused for like some minutes, then you will leave it there. You will not cut it out of the video. Those long pauses are boring. You need to start cutting it out of your video and then cut to the chase. Yes, you are supposed to make your video 8 to 15 minutes long, but whatever you need to do, whatever information you need to stack up, needs to be within 8 to 15 minutes, 8 to 15 minutes long. So you make sure that whatever you are saying in that 8 to 15 minutes is valuable, it's not repetitive, and it's not prolonged too much. What you need to do is start asking your viewers questions. How do you edit your video? Do you cut long pauses, or do you post your videos like that? And how do you make your intros? Put it in the comment section. I want to know how you make your intros for your videos. And how do you do your intros? Do you make your intros short or long? Do you put it at the beginning or at the end of your video? That is it. Now, what do YouTube want from you? YouTube wants their viewers to keep watching their content on their channel, and if your channel is doing that for them, they will make sure that they promote your video drastically. So you need to make sure that you need to make sure that viewers are watching your video for a very long time. For instance, you can have 5 minutes average view duration, but if your watch hour is very strong, that video will go viral and that video is going to gain momentum, because you have already made sure that people have stick down to watch your video and they have gained value from your video. YouTube recognizes this and push that video longer and further and makes the impression higher. Now, if this video have been helpful to you, give it a thumbs up so that more creators can be able to see this video and YouTube will be able to recognize that this video is valuable. And now, if you want to get more views like this and subscribers and real growth, watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any video that I create about YouTube growth. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.